How's everybody doing today? We're working on a 2013 Dodge Charger, the 6.4 liter Hemi. It's got a P0306 for a cylinder 6 misfire. And when you go to erase the code, it comes back immediately. As soon as the car's on, the code comes back. It's got a rough idle, shakes a little bit of lack of power, making a little bit of noise. Fuel trim's way out of control on the passenger side, bank 1. I think it's bank 2 actually. So what I found on this thing, because my customer had already changed the coils, and with no results that were good, pretty much nothing changed. It still was misfiring. And then he went ahead and did a tune-up, changed the spark plug, same thing, continuing to misfire. And so I told him, I was like, well, let's pull the valve cover off, which we did, and we found a bent push rod for the number 6 intake valve. And we noticed one other thing is, if you take a look at the color of the actual springs, right there we go. Now we look at this third one, it's like purple, and I think that it's been overheated because it drives it really hard. It's the only spring that I see that color out of all the valve springs. And then I actually earlier had pressed down on it a little bit with a little small pry bar, and it felt as if it was broken in 2 pieces or something. So it's I think it might be a broken valve spring here for number 6 as well. The other ones seem to be okay. I'm going to go ahead and pull this cam, or this rocker arm off, and go ahead and pull out that push rod. But yeah, it's definitely a bent push rod for cylinder 6. You can kind of see the curvature to it right there. Right here, totally bent, severely bent. Let's see where we pull that thing out here in just a second. Really quick here. Off the last one, so you drop this shaft and have a rag ready to set it down, because there'll be a little bit of oil on it when you do set it down. It's going to be hot as well if your engine was just running like ours was. It's boiling hot. It's the rocker shaft. I'm going to wrap this up a little bit right here. Get this up in a better spot, it doesn't fall. Okay, so here we are. Here's where our problem is. So I took a look earlier before we ordered the piece to see if there's any other bent push rods, and there wasn't. This is the only one that was bent. It's right here. Let's take and wrap it down. There it is. There's our bent push rod. There's our problem for our cylinder 6 misfire. Very possible that there is a frozen lifter or collapsed lifter or something as well, because it was making a lot of noise and I could wiggle this rod up and down. So I did recommend the lifters, but the customer does not want to replace it at this time. So we're going to just go ahead and see what happens by slapping a push rod in there. You can see where it's actually been wearing into the head. So definitely not good. So definitely something for you guys to check if you guys are running that 6.4 liter engine, the Dodge Chargers. It's a 2013 third generation engine. So thank you guys very much for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody out. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.